action! Breaking news for broken news! This is Falldom. I am currently withstanding gale force winds of blizzardness to show you what it's like to currently reside in Maine. It's cold. Do you see my fur? There's snow everywhere. It is so super cold. I'm doing this for all of my fans. All my subscribers, check it out. This is exclusive footage. Live on the scene. Fine, I gotta go. It's way too cold. I'm like freezing. Cut. God, this is way too... I gotta get back in the window. Can your motion get me back in the window? Oh, God. Can you shut the window now? Did you press stop record? Oh my God, my fur is literally freezing. God, I'll press stop. Hold on.